Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I'm all dressed up right now to tell you about this awesome Jacob Alexander 2-inch width tie. I think it's super important for every guy out there to have a black solid tie, and this is the one you need to get. It looks incredible with just a plain white shirt and a black suit. I think it looks very elegant. I think for any formal event or formal occasion, this tie will look very good and classy. It's made out of a very nice material. It's very soft, but you can tell right away that it's very good quality. I've had it for a while now and it has lasted me a long time, even though I wear it all the time. So if you're looking for a very good quality, very good looking tie that looks incredible with the black suit, I really recommend this one by Jacob Alexander, and that is my point of view.